Hey everyone, this is Alvin on behalf of Neil Napier and the rest of the KV Social team. Before we get started, I also want to make sure that you can hear me. Just give me a quick yes or one in the chat if both video and audio is coming through loud and clear. On your screen right now, you should be seeing turn any video into a professional ad within seconds. Perfect. So we have Lloyd, we have Howard, we have Paul as well on the call today, and we have Wolfgang as well. James, Peter, and a couple of friends showing up. Well, I don't see your names there, but I do see, well, friend. And Tony as well is on the call, all the way from the Philippines. Perfect. So, guys, today we're going to focus on how we can create video ads. Now, just a show of hands, who here have seen a video ad on Facebook, Instagram, or in YouTube for the past 24 hours? Give me a yes if you've seen a video ad and you thought that if you can apply the same kind of technique in your business, it would generate more sales and leads for you. Yes, yes, yes. Everyone is using video ads. And that's why it is the future. Now, here's a big promise that I can show you guys today. Whatever I'm going to show you today is going to be something that perhaps going to be the last thing you'll ever need. The only video ad software that you will need to use in your business as well as for your clients. That's a big promise there. But I will do my best to show you and prove to you why this is it. Now, on this call today, we're going to talk about a new video ads creator that we have created, Med and I created, that is going to be easy, powerful, and fast. Now, I have another question for you guys. Who here wished they can manage or they can create the video ads that you need in your business on the go? Who here would want to be able to create video ads on the go, whether it's gonna be you're using a Samsung phone, you're using a tablet? Who would be able to benefit from that? Would you benefit from being able to create the ads you need on any device? Yes, yes, yes. Because not everybody has the time to stay in front of the computer. In even even if I wish, I was actually quite hopeful that the Windows Phone will be as good as, well, Windows for desktop. But unfortunately, that hasn't happened, and I don't think that will ever happen because, well, cell phones are limited regardless if their hardware is almost as good as the PC or as a Mac, but unfortunately there are limitations. But what I'm going to show you today is something that will allow you to take your video creation process anywhere you go. So it's so simple that you can just point and click and create thousands of sales driving videos and viral memes. So just want to make sure, is everyone familiar with video memes? Give me a yes if you are familiar with it, or a two if it's something you haven't heard about before. Okay, perfect. So everyone, oh, a couple of saying they're familiar with it. Okay, so let me show you what give me show you a quick viral meme. Okay, so it's gonna be something like this. All right, so let me show my screen. So we have seen this a lot, especially with cartoons, for example. All right, you can have uh, usually it has text on the top and text on the bottom as well. So usually when you think about memes, there are usually images, but there are video memes as well. All right, so there are a couple of examples on how you can do that here. So examples would be like this: you have a top and bottom text, and just making it over like very funny things that people can react to. People would need to click on. Now, those kind of videos are providing millions of clicks, millions of leads and sales because people love sharing them. But creating them is a whole different story. Creating them requires perhaps two, three, or four different tools, and you have to be familiar with one. You have to be on the computer to create them. That changes today. So if you're someone who's creating Facebook ads or Instagram videos and getting someone to do it for you and paying hundreds of dollars for it, stop. Stop doing that because you're now able to create the videos that you need all by yourself and you don't even need a PC. So we are going to focus on four things today on the call. All right. So first is how to create a high converting ad. So regardless what kind of software you use, we're going to show you what makes a good high converting ad. Second is a shortcut to creating videos or video ads in particular that won't break the bank and of course will only take a few seconds. And third is we're going to focus on how you can leverage the power of social media and and the endless need for quality videos, and you can use this to get unlimited free traffic. And of course, every business deserves a video. And we are also going to show you how you can sell your video ads to client. We can even modify the existing videos in seconds. All right. So guys, is everyone ready? Give me a yes if you're ready to see how you can create and tap the video ads market today. Give me a yes if you're ready for the shortcut, for the strategy, and to make money with video ads creation. All right, perfect. So the boss, I love the username, is saying yes. Paul is saying yes. Momos Marketing is saying yes as well. All right, so let's get started. So just to give you a quick introduction about me and my partner here, Medamin. So I think all of you guys are already familiar with me. So practically, I have over 8 years experience in online marketing and social media advertising. So I'm also a Facebook marketer. I do YouTube ads as well, but mainly I focus on Facebook because, well, I like Facebook ads because they're very, very targeted towards interest. Now, my partner, however, is Medamin. Now, you might know him from apps like UpEngage and SocialX. He's the guy behind the development. So I partnered with him because we wanted to make sure that the technical matter is will be done by an experienced team. And of course, we want something to design. We want a software designed for marketers to use that is going to be focused on quick, easy, and results. Right? So if you're talking about apps here that are designed specifically for marketers, for online marketers or Facebook advertisers. So it needs to be something that's easy to use and quick as well. All right. So together we've been able to help a lot of small businesses create better ads, to create better websites as well. And we're going to show you that today. All right. So let me start by telling you this. Creating proper video ads takes a lot of time. A professional can create a video ad an hour for every 30 seconds. So 30 seconds will take an hour to create. But what if you don't need to do that? What if you don't need to spend so much money or time creating the videos that you need? Because videos being the future is something that you can't deny. But people are not able to create the good videos that they need, and they tend to outsource it. And that outsourcing can cost hundreds of dollars, if not thousands. In fact, I did a quick search on on Fiverr, and normally when you want to create a short video ad, it's gonna cost anywhere from 500 to 800 bucks. and that is on Fiverr. Right? That's a short video ad. That means it's gonna be 2 to 5 minutes long. Even more expensive if it's a longer video. Now, if you were just starting out, if you wanted to generate leads, if you wanted to start getting sales from for your ebook, from your membership site, or perhaps your own product, would this be cost effective for you? Spending $700 to $800 getting a video created. Would spending 500 to $1,000 on one video ad be cost effective for you? Absolutely no. And doing it yourself is often quite complicated and overly frustrated. Now, who here, by the way, uses Camtasia? Give me a yes if you use Camtasia or perhaps After Effects. Right? Give me a yes if you have used Camtasia and After Effects and other video editing tools like Sony Vegas. Guys, have you ever experienced this? Right in the middle of your editing, perhaps in the last part, you get this frustrating error message. Who here have experienced this when the application has crashed while you're doing the edits? And tell me, what was your reaction when this showed up? For me, I was gonna smack the monitor. Unfortunately, we have moved on to the LCDs, so you can't really smack the monitor anymore. Otherwise, it will break. Right? So back then, the CRT, you can smack it around, it still won't break. But now, you smack your LCD, it's gonna break with one single punch. Right? I've experienced this so much more. Even if I save every 5 minutes, that 5 minutes of work in between is lost. You have to repeat that again. Even if just it's 5 minutes, it's that is progress being lost. And to be honest, guys, this is one of the most frustrating things that happens to me on a daily basis. In fact, Neil actually requests a lot of videos created for me, and then it always happens when it's crunch time. What is the main cause for this? Well, there's a lot of main causes. First is either your computer is lacking some RAM, right? It doesn't have the memory it needs to render it, or it's just glitching out. It can be it can be a lot of things, but the main thing here is that 50% or 60% of the cost for this is your hardware, is your computer. The other 40% could be just a bug, right? Now, is there a way that this can be prevented at all? Right? Is there a way to to prevent this from happening to you and to anyone else? The answer is taking everything that you need, everything that the tools you need online, on the cloud. So that video is going to be the future for you and your business, and you don't need to see this error showing up when you create the videos. Because without a tool that can help you create good videos, you can't generate leads and sales. You are limiting your own business because you're unable to adapt to the changes in today's market. Michael is asking, will there be a replay? I can't get sound. Yes, there will be a replay. It will be available by tomorrow. All right, so just wait for our email, and we'll send you the I will send you the replay video on the page. All right, so and this is the main reason, guys, we created VidFactory. Now, VidFactory is a cloud-based, it's a 100% cloud-based application that you can use to create videos with. And here's the amazing thing, guys. You don't even need a computer to use this. You don't even need to have a good phone to use this. So now you can take video creation on the cloud on any device that you want. That means you can use your mobile phone and create videos for your business without being at the house or at your office. So guys, who's ready to see this live in action? Give me a yes if you're ready to see the software in all its glory. Perfect. All right, so let's get started. Now, creating the perfect ad and memes takes 4 simple steps. Step 1, be logging in to the dashboard. So let me show you how that works. Okay, so to prove to anyone that this works on mobile, right, I'm gonna log in to the system here using using an emulator because I can't really show my phone, right? So everyone should see the dashboard right now for VidFactory. Maybe a yes if you see that. Great, perfect. So let me actually open up. Let me actually open up. Yeah, let me open up and see if I can open Mobilizer here. So for those who are not familiar with Mobilizer, it is a mobile phone browser emulator, as you can see. And let's select one of the older iPhones, right? Let's iPhone 5. I don't think anyone has iPhone 5 nowadays. Well, let me change it to black to make it more visible. All right, let me close this. There we go. So can everyone see the mobile phone emulator here? Okay, perfect, perfect. So let me log in. And let me go to the website right now. So let's say I'm on my mobile phone and I have a client that wants to see what kind of videos I can create. All right, so let's open it up. There we go. We have the login page and let's log in here. Okay, there we go. So guys, can you see that this actually works on your mobile phone as well? Can you see this? You can now create video ads within your phone, guys. A video editor that you can use to create amazing videos with on your mobile phone. And here's the best thing. You don't even need to have videos on your phone directly. You can get something from YouTube, as you can see from here, or you can click on go to the library and get access to thousands of commercial free or commercial ready videos for you to use. Guys, who here is excited for this? Give me a yes if you are excited to create videos on your mobile phone or anywhere you want. All right. We're doing at Mobilizer. Just email us in support. I don't think I have the link for that. Yeah, I have to check. Can just send us a support ticket about Mobilizer. Again, this is not part of it. It's a free download anyways. Guys, now you can take your videos anywhere you want. Now, I'm going to focus on the desktop application here because, well, it's kind of hard to see with the Mobilizer app there. So, let's start creating videos. So, let's go to video ads from here, and we have 3 options. We can upload our own videos, as you can see from here, or we can get any video from YouTube and turn it into our own video ad. Or third, we can go through the library. We can get access to thousands of videos that we can use for our business. All right. So before I get started, is everything clear so far and what this or how you can add videos to create? All right. Um, yep. The recording for this webinar is both going to be available on the bonus page, which is going to be available tomorrow, or on the, well, if you get access now, you're going to get it through the training section as well. Okay. All right. So let's go back now. Let's say worst case scenario, right? Worst case scenario, you don't have a video and you don't have time to create one. So we're gonna go through the library, do a quick search. So for example, car, or let's say we are trying to sell secondhand cars, for example, or used cars, or brand new cars, what we're in the car market. All right, so let's say we're gonna use this, we can play this as well. There we go. And let's choose this video, click on next. Now, here's the interesting part. You can cut out the video in different scenes. Let's say you want the video to play for around 2 seconds and you want your call to action showing up on the 3rd second, so in the 3 second mark, and that scene 1 is going to be around 7 seconds long. So I'm gonna add that sequence here. There we go. And if I want to add more scenes, I can do that as well. Let's say, for example, on the 10 second mark, I want there to be like a 5 second where there is no call to action showing up there. And I want this to show up on the 15 second mark instead. Scene 2 will start on the 15 second mark all the way to the 25 second mark. Click on add, and you can add as many scenes as you want. So, is this easy, guys? It's easy for you to create your own scenes. And once you are happy with the number of scenes you have created, just click on next. And from here, you will be able to add your own text, your own images, your own buttons, even your own audio and narration. So, let me show this here. Seems go to webinar stuck. Okay, let me try this again. Oh, the drawing is stuck. Anyways, so this is scene 1 and this is scene 2. So whatever changes that you do, whatever text, image, or narration that you do is only going to be available for that specific scene. All right, so let me, for example, show you this. Need a car. There we go. We can move this around. We can change the font as well. So if you want to change the font here, we can do that with a click of the button. And we'll change the text as well, or we can just drag it around. We can add animation. There we go. We can make it bold. We can change the background. So anything that you will ever do with Camtasia and other video editing tools, right? All right, there we go. So let's say you're happy with the text, but you also wanted to add some pictures, some call to action buttons. You can do that here as well. So let's say if I want to go to, all right, let me see. I want to add my own call to action buttons, right? So let's say I want to use this best price guarantee. There we go. And I can move this around. I can extend it just like that. So this is scene 1. Now on the scene 1, I can also add the audio or the narration to go with this. That means I can record a short audio clip for myself, and I will say, need a car? We have it. Lowest price, promise, guarantee. and that audio is going to be isolated to that specific scene itself. So it's easy for you to sync another or to add another set of text, images, buttons on the second scene as well. Now, who do you what do you think, guys? Is this simple or not? And if you have any questions, now is the best time to ask as well. Let me know. Is this something that would make your video creation process much faster and much easier? Yes, yes. Again, remember all this can and will happen on the mobile phone as well. It's not just going to be on your desktop computer. We know how important our mobile phones are right now. And unfortunately, they are underutilized because there are simply no apps right now that support mobile phones as good as desktop computers. And VidFactory does that for you. So think about this. Imagine taking a short video on your computer, or not, sorry, on your cell phone. Let's say you go to a restaurant, you see the food is delicious, it's sizzling. You take a video on your phone, 5 to 10-second video, and you create that and you log into VidFactory and you create that inside of the software. There's no mobile app because again, the idea here is everything is processed within the cloud. Now, why the cloud and why not an app inside your computer or inside your phone? Because we want to take away different variables that will cause the system to glitch, will cause the system to slow down. Is that making sense, by the way, guys? Is that fair? So instead of being reliant on your computer to be compatible, to be as fast, everything's handled on the cloud. The processing, the rendering is there. So you don't need to worry about your phone not being able to not being the latest phone, not having enough memory and all that. Everything is handled for you, processed for you on the server. All right, so let's add more things to this, to our video ad here. And I can also delete some of the text here. There we go. Call now. Okay, 1-800-456-7890. There we go. So once we're happy, click on save just to make sure. There we go. Click on create video. And depending on how long the video is, it normally takes a few seconds all the way to 2 minutes to fully render the video that you want. All right, so while we're waiting for the video to render, let me know if you have any questions, guys. You may type in your question instead if you have any questions in the questions box. There we go. Our video is now rendered. All right, so let me see. There are so many video creators, video visitors, Visuli. How does VidFactory compare? Now, those apps are great, Lloyd. This brings a good point. There are a lot of video creation solutions out there. But first of all, are they able to have a library? Are they able to isolate specific scenes? And do they work on tablet and mobile phones? That is the big factor there. Now, all those apps are great. We even use them ourselves. But check out what is the limitation. What is something that is going to be something that you can use VidFactory for that you're not able to get with other video creation tools out there? Now, we're not saying we're not saying that the VidFactory is perfect in any way. But the idea here is you can make the videos on your own terms, on your own time and device. You don't need to be stuck in front of the computer. All right. Can you make a square video? Yes, you can. All right. That feature is actually on the Pro itself. Now, if you want to create a square video on the main offer, you do need to have like a native square video itself. All right. So, guys, as much as we want to compare to other tools out there, you have to be the one to make that decision. That's why we add a 30-day money back guarantee, because we want you to try it yourself and see which one works better for you. Okay? Is that fair to everyone? Because again, we can't say this is the best. You can hype it up as much as we can, but at the end of the day, you are the one who's going to be using the software. Okay? All right, perfect. So let me actually show you what the video looks like here. So let me play the button. There we go. And of course, our call to action buttons will only appear on whatever timeline we have selected for this. All right. So how long can the video be? For the main offer, it can take up to 5 to 10 minutes of video. And for the Pro, it's going to be around 10 to 15 minutes of video. You can take it, you can use longer videos, but again, I would not recommend it because it might take a bit of time. And honestly, if you have a video ad, it shouldn't be more than 5 minutes long anyway. All right, so let's go back here. So we have created a video ad that we can use on Facebook, we can use on Instagram. Now, what about posts? What about viral videos? Viral videos can be created using a meme format, and that's why we included that here inside of VidFactory as well. So just like earlier, we can upload our own video, or we can get something from YouTube. All right, so let's say, for example, who here, by the way, is offering marketing services to local businesses? Give me a yes if you're offering local businesses marketing services, or you're working with local businesses perhaps. Okay, the boss says yes. How about the others? Okay, so James is saying yes as well. Wolfgang is saying yes. E-commerce, yeah, e-commerce would work as well. So now, let's say, for example, those businesses already have a video online, but it's not, well, it's not really working for them. Those are, by the way, those are your prime targets. Now, if you create the videos, and if you use their own videos against them, it's actually a very good marketing strategy. Remember that you are looking for the low hanging fruit. That means you're looking for people who are who have tried video marketing, who have tried creating video ads, but it did not generate the results for them. So they understand the value, they understand the concept, so it isn't, but they're just frustrated with the results that they were getting. And there's a lot of businesses who are trying to get online, to get their marketing online, but it's not working. And most of these businesses need your help. And most of these businesses are inside of YouTube. So let me show you how you can find them. So I think everyone born, well, before the year 2000 is familiar with Yellow Pages. So Yellow Pages, well, it has a channel with over 20,000 different businesses all with a video. And you can actually use this video, add in your own customizations to this, and call the client and show them, demo to them how you can improve their videos. Guys, who here is getting light bulbs from this concept, from this idea? All 20,000 businesses are here for you to tap. And you don't even need to create a video altogether. You just customize everything. All right, so let's start. Let's say, for example, I want to create an ad for the VetMed Animal Clinic on Covington, Georgia. All right, so I'm gonna copy the YouTube link here. There we go. And I'm gonna go back to VidFactory and go to upload from YouTube. I'm gonna paste the link, click on next, and I have two options here. Either I can start editing the video as a meme, right? Or I can download this video onto my computer. So I'm gonna click on start using this meme because I don't want to download it. It's just too much extra process there. So the video is already showing up here, the audio as well. And let's say, for example, I want to add top and bottom text, right? So let's say, for example, I want to add a top text saying, save best care for your pets. Call us now. There we go. I can change the color of the top and bottom as well. So just click on the part that I want to change. I can change the text color. There we go. Same thing with the top. Change the color. Change the text color as well. There we go. And we can change the font for each one. Now, we can export the video. And once we export it, we have a viral video meme that we can use for that business. And you can sell these videos for hundreds of dollars. Now, what happens after you download the video and perhaps you want to add your own narration to this because being a meme is just too basic. So all you have to do is wait for the render process to be finished, and you can download that video and go back to the video ad section again to add your own call to actions there. Guys, is this making sense? Give me a yes if this is making sense and this is something that you would be able to do on your very own. Look at that. We now have a square video with a meme type of setup that we can use. And I can download this one to my computer. So I'm going to do that here. All right, so let's say vet. I'm going to name it into a vet video. There we go. And I can go back to video ads. I can upload that video. Right, and I can use that here as well. Okay, I'm now uploading the video to the editor here. And I can make the changes to that video as well anytime I want inside of the video ads section. Okay, so let me answer a few questions while, Can we use other people's YouTube videos to make them ours to say for e-commerce product? Again, that's a very gray area. If it's a copyright video, no. But if it is a Creative Commons video, yes. So again, It really depends on the video itself. Again, you're not gonna take their videos. If you, for example, this one, you're not gonna take this video and sell it to others. Basically, you'll just show them what you can do for your videos and how you can improve it. All right. So, guys, now you have the potential to create amazing videos without having to rely on super complicated softwares like Camtasia and After Effects. And all it takes is 4 simple steps. Log into the cloud-based software, whether you're on a desktop, laptop, tablet, or phone. Select from the library if you don't have a video, or get any YouTube video, or upload your own. Create the segments and scenes that you want using the editor, and of course add text, images, buttons, voiceovers, music, and narration to every scene, to a specific scene. Step 3, create attention-grabbing call to action buttons to create massive traffic and loads of sales for your business. And step 4, render the video and download your video ad and use it on Facebook, use it on Instagram, use it on any campaigns that you want. And all is or everything is handled on the cloud, so you don't need to worry about the workload. Now you'll be able to create videos like these. So let me show you some videos here that we were able to do. So let me just go back to my YouTube channel here, and let me send this to some examples for everyone. Okay. Can I play the video in reverse? That will require the pro version, Tony. So I'm gonna show you that it's a good idea. I'm gonna show that as well here. So let me show you some examples of videos that you can do. All right, and let me send this to you or via chat. All right, and give me a yes once you see that link in the chat. There are 2 links for the on the chat. Both is gonna be for a video ad and for a meme video. All right, and while we're waiting, yes, there we go. Everyone can see it. So if you don't see it, guys, just type in a question mark in the questions box, so I can send you both links all together. All right, let me just answer a few questions here. Can you add audio throughout the entire video, like continuous music without breaks, and it's only added per scene? It is added per scene, right? Because here's the thing. One of the hardest thing to do is to sync your text and your narration into a video. That is one of the most frustrating things you ever need to do on Camtasia or just about any video creation editor or video creation tool out there. Syncing the text and the narration is a pain, a PIA. It's a pain in the, yeah, you know what, right? And I frankly, I don't want you to have that kind of frustration, because it's better to break your videos into specific scenes instead, and just add the narration specific to that scene. Okay. All right. So guys, let me know what you think of the videos I've shown you. Are they awesome or what? Yes, you can use any videos that you want, guys. And if you don't have a video, record one from your computer or from your cell phone, or go through the thousands of copyright-free videos inside of the library here. There we go. Of course, you can preview each one there as well. So now it only takes 4 simple steps for you to tap the video market. And just like I showed you guys earlier, this is gonna be an easy sell for you if you want to work with local businesses. Everyone of the local businesses, or most of them, are inside of the YouTube yellow pages. If you want to go the more specific route, you can do with Facebook ads. Now, let me show you how you can find business owners if you do a Facebook ad campaign. Right? Let's say you create a video targeting businesses and offering your video solutions. You can also target, you can also offer your SEO services, website building, and all that. But let's say, for example, you want to create an ad and you want to find all of the business owners in your area. And one of the cheapest way to do that, to build your brand, is through video views. Let me show you how you can do this. All right. So guys, can everyone see the, well, Facebook dashboard right now? Facebook ads dashboard. Okay. Perfect. Yes, yes, yes. So let me just show you how you can easily find a lot of business owners inside of Facebook. All right. So let's start. All right. So I think everyone is on the same page. So let's start here. Let's say you want to target everyone in the United States. There we go. So let me just move this around. You have around 220 million people there. And let's restrict the age to, let's say, 22. I don't think there's a lot of people below 22 years old who owns a business, but I could be wrong, right? So now we can do the targeting. So we can specify the position here. So guys, what would be a business owner use? What kind of position would a business owner use if he is on Facebook? Either it's going to be a business owner, entrepreneur, co-owner, founder, chief executive officer, or CEO, right? You can use that here. Let's say, for example, all right, business owner, and let's say it has to be a job title. There we go. CEO. Well, let me just move this around. Small business owner. There we go. And all that. So now you can target business owners themselves on Facebook and tell them that you can provide them the video ads that they need to grow their business. And you can sell these videos for hundreds of dollars each. You're now able to tap millions of businesses across the world and build a real business selling video ads. And everything that I show you can be done inside of VidFactory. It's the fastest video ads creator that lets you do or create amazing video ads in your own terms. Plus, we're also giving away some exclusive bonuses for those jumping in early for VidFactory. All right, so let me show you some of the bonuses here. All right, let me go to the page, and let me show you what is in store for you guys. So if you do want the link to the bonus page, just type in bonus in the chat, and I'm going to send that to you here. All right, so just to name a few of the bonuses, bonus number one is, again, we always want to make sure that you get the training and the strategy. So on the 30th at 11 a.m. Eastern, we're going to show you live how you can generate results with VidFactory. It's going to be a no sales call. There's going to be nothing pitched to you. All we're going to talk about is VidFactory and how you can maximize its result. Second is you're also going to be able to get the done for you WordPress theme for selling videos. It's going to be the video portfolio WordPress theme. It's going to include all the images, all the backgrounds, icons, and everything that you would need. And the best thing about this is you don't even need to have a payment gateway. You just link it up with your PayPal email, and you can have buttons there to collect payments for you. You're also going to be able to get the Ad Spy Pro software. With this, you'll be able to easily track your competitors and their PPC or pay-per-click campaigns. You're also gonna get 5 done for your YouTube outros and the video list building training as well with your purchase. And all of this, guys, is available for you at a low one-time price. So guys, who's excited to get access to VidFactory? Give me a yes if you're excited to get access right now to VidFactory. Of course, this is covered with a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So you're going, if you don't like it, if you're not fully satisfied with the software whatsoever, all you have to do is contact our support, and we'll be more than happy to issue a full refund to you. Again, we don't want to keep your money if you're not satisfied with the software, and this is something that you can use as well. All right, so let me know who's excited, guys, to get access to this right away. Okay, perfect. So Tony is saying yes. James is saying yes as well. Wolfgang is saying yes. So how much is it? Guys, you're gonna be amazed for this. You're gonna get a 2-in-1 software. Inside of VidFactory, it's gonna include the video ad section as well as the viral video meme creator, all for a one-time fee of either $24 or $34 within the early bird special. Now, the early bird is only going to be available until 3 p.m. Eastern today. It's a one-off price, $24 or $34 for the elite version, which is going to include commercial or developer rights to sell your videos. All right, so for those who are jumping in or want to jump in, go to getvidfactory.com right now. So I'm going to type in the link in the chat and let me know, type in a yes if you're jumping in for the basic, or 2 if you're getting the elite version. It's a one-time. All right, so let me just type in the link. All right, perfect. So let me see. Let me double check if the offer is now live. Let me double check here. There we go. So the offer is now live, guys. Again, the early bird pricing I'm showing you guys live on a call today is only going to be available for the next, well, 4 hours or so. It's going to be closed down at 3 p.m. So if you want to get the best deals, get access to VidFactory today, or on or before 3 p.m. Eastern today. All right, Marilyn. So let me give you a quick summary on what you can do with VidFactory. Okay, so for those who will do a quick recap here. So we go back to VidFactory. It's a cloud-based software that lets you create all the videos that you want, whether it's you're in a desktop, laptop, tablet, or mobile phone. So you can create a video ad here. You have the option to either upload your own videos, get something from YouTube, or access from the thousands of videos inside the library. All right, let's say for example car, do a quick search. You can get any video here, right? And you can just click on next, and you can add your own text, your own images, your own call to action buttons, your own narration. And the best thing about it is you can isolate that on a per scene basis. So let's say 2 to 5 second mark, scene 1, the scene 2 is going to be around 8 second mark to 12 seconds, and so on and so forth. You can add as many scenes as you want. You click on next, and you have 2 scenes that you can now, well, let's erase this with 0. There we go. You can now have 2 scenes that you can now use Oh, it's only 9 seconds long. So we only have one scene here. There we go. There we go. So now we can add our own text, we can add our own image, buttons, and narration as well. And everything, whatever you can do on your desktop, you can do as well on your mobile phone or tablet. All right. And of course, you can also create viral meme videos as well, just like the one I created earlier. I think I still have it here. So you can create a video like this. You can get any video from YouTube and add in and convert that one into a viral meme. There we go. All right. So I hope that's clear, Marilyn. Let me know if that makes sense. So the main offer will include the video ads section and the meme maker there. And of course, you can render a video first on the video ads, turn it into a meme, or you can turn it to a meme first and you can turn it into a video ad, and vice versa. So yeah, each feature will connect with each other. All right, and all of this is available at a one-time fee for either the basic, which can be 30 renders per month, or the elite, for with 100 renders per month, all of which is going to be a one-time fee. Now, so just a quick recap. Who here have already jumped in? Give me a 1 if you have already purchased the main offer. And if everything is clear as well, give me a 2 if everything's clear so we can move on to the next upgrade or OTO. Okay, perfect. So I hope everything is clear. I do hope I don't get questions on the main offer when we get to the upgrades. The purchase link, John, there we go. Let me know once you see it in the chat. All right, so let's talk about VidFactory Pro. What can you possibly do to make VidFactory even more powerful? What can you possibly do to make it 5 times more powerful than it is already? What can you do? Is to add 5 more features. You'll be able to unlock video filters. Right? So video filters actually allows you to create Instagram-like videos. So you can turn any video that you want. All right? Let's say, for example, I want to get something, a YouTube video. Let's say I'm going to look for, let's say, iPhone X video. I can filter this one to short videos here. Right? Let's say I want to use this here. YouTube ads. All right, there we go. I'm going to copy the link of the video I want to use. And I'm going to put in the link. And just like before, we're going to click on Start Using Editor or Start Using the Filter. And we simply select any from the 8 video filters here available for you. So let's say, for example, I want this to look kind of weird in a way. I'm going to select the 8th filter here. Click on Export Video. And it's going to render a new video. And we're going to be able to compare how it looks. So this is a great way, especially if you want to reuse older videos, but you don't want them to look, well, pretty boring. So you can spice up your videos there with video filters. All right, so let me see. Now it's gonna take a few minutes because this is a 3-minute long video as well. So it's gonna take a few seconds to render for you. All right, now, aside from video filters, we're also gonna be able to get the resize video. So this is what, John, if you still see the opt-in page, just do a quick refresh. All right, so I think our video is really rendered. There we go. So we can actually compare this one here. So let me open this up in a new window. There we go. And we can get the browser here. And look at that. The videos actually look awesome. It's a totally different video altogether here. As you can see, there's a red tint there for you and to make your videos stand out. So you can use this to spice up the video that you already have and add more layer to it. And let's say, for example, you wanted to use a square video. All right. Just got here during the launch. Yes, that's correct, E. I'm okay answering questions during the webinar. So one-time offer means one-time fee. You only pay for it one time, and you get lifetime access, which is going to be usually uh, a few years. Okay. All right. So going back, video filters. Okay. If you're still not amazed, maybe video filters is not for you. How about resizing your video? Now, guys, who here have seen those Facebook video timeline covers and always wanted to create one? Who here have seen those? Give me a yes if you have seen those and always wanted to have one for your own business to create even better videos. Now, you can create them with Camtasia. Don't worry, if you have Camtasia, you can still continue paying $200 for Camtasia if you want, but you can do the same thing inside of VidFactory. Let me show you how it works. Ready? So let's go back to YouTube again, and let's say, for example, my business is here, and I paid, well, not Yellow Cab, yeah, Yellow Pages. I seem to be getting hungry now. All right. So let's say my business, I'm working with the vet clinic I showed you guys earlier, and they want to use this video as a as a timeline cover. So instead of spending a lot of time trying to do that in Camtasia, I can do that inside of VidFactory. I can just type in or paste in the link of the video I want to use, click on next, click on start using resize, and look at that, guys. I can change the format for Instagram, for Snapchat, for YouTube, for Twitter and landscape, for Twitter and portrait, for Facebook covers, and if there's a black line, just click on crop, and there we go. We now have a full screen Facebook cover to use that will make our business pages look even more awesome. And you just export the video and you can give that to your client. Now you're able to create the perfect size video for any campaign. Guys, let me know if you think this is an awesome feature that you can use for your business and for your clients. Do you agree that this is going to be something really, really useful? But we're not done yet, by the way. We still have around 3 features, well, not 4 features to go before we move on. So you have resize video, we have apply video filters. We also have the reverse video. This is something that Tony has been waiting for, right, Tony? You've been wanting to do a reverse video altogether, right? All right. So let me show you how this works. So I'm gonna look for something that, well, we can really do a before and after type of thing. So perhaps people walking. Let's see. Let's do a filter here. Let's send 4 minutes so that you don't have to wait a long time. Oh, this is not a good thing. Let's see. So you have this, right? So let's say we're gonna use this people walking video here, and we want to reverse the entire video. I'm gonna go to YouTube again, paste the link to the video I want to reverse. All right, and click on start. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. Reverse video. There we go. Upload, reverse, link. Click on using reverse. There we go. This is going to be the last time you'll see this video playing in the normal function. And once you click on reverse video, it's going to render the video for you and give you a reverse video that you can use on other features here. All right, so let's play this. It's now rendered. Look at that. Guys, can you see people walking backwards? You may yes if you see that. You can download this one as an MP4 and you can use it as well on your other video projects. Now, was that easy? Did I take more than a minute to reverse the entire video? Absolutely not. A minute save is a minute, well, a minute profitable. Can you use your own videos? Yes. Every single feature inside of VidFactory allows you to use your own videos. Whether it's going to be from your computer, from your YouTube channel, or for other YouTube channels, or from the video gallery. All right, so you can now reverse any video that you want. And why not stop there? You can also convert any video into a GIF. So going back to our campaign here, and let's say I want to change this video into a GIF. Click on start using GIF. Boom, it's gonna convert that video into a GIF or animated image. You can even cut it out in a few seconds as well. So it has a built-in editor here. Look at that. You can download this one as well. So I have a question here from Lloyd. Can we use videos from those apps we want to download from a computer? Yes. So if you used, right, if you used any kind of software to create videos with, as long as it's an MP4 video, you can use them in VidFactory. Right? So you can now turn videos into GIF. That's cool, but I need more. How about looping a video? Who here is familiar with looped videos, guys? So if you are into e-commerce, you're into, right, you're into sports, a loop video can become viral. So you can now loop a video here, just post a link or add your own videos or add your own stuff there, start using loop, and you can loop your video up to 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, or even 8 times altogether. So if you have a short 5-second video that you want to turn into a viral campaign, you can loop that inside of VidFactory as well. You can also mute a video. Let's say, for example, you have an older ad or older video, but you want to remove the entire audio section for that. You can just put up here, and the entire video or the entire audio track of that video will remove, and you can again turn that old video, go back to video ads, meme maker, and add your own narration, add more changes to that there. Everything, pretty much everything that you ever wished you can do is inside of VidFactory Pro. Now, this wouldn't be possible if you offer this as a one-time service because it's going to cost a lot of money. And since it's video rendering, it's going to require some monthly maintenance. So if you do want to get to all the other features, this is available for you for $27 monthly. And of course, it also covers the 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with the power of VidFactory Pro, just contact our support and we'll be more than happy to issue a full refund to you. All right, so guys, let me know if you're jumping in for the Pro version. Give me a 2 right now in the chat if you see the value of the Pro version and what makes it a worthy investment for just $27 a month. And of course, something I didn't mention is you also get unlimited rendering with the Pro version there. All right, so you get the unlimited renders instead of being limited to 30 or 100 on the main offer. All right, currently we don't have any yearly price for VidFactory. VidFactory Pro. Okay? It's only monthly because we want to make sure that you'll be able to use it month per month. Okay, guys, if you're on the fence, let me know what's holding you back as well. So you get additional features for the Pro version, and you get unlimited rendering capabilities as well. All right. So what's the difference between the Pro and the one time? So the one time or the main offer is limited to 30 to 100 renders per month, and you only have the video ads section and the meme creator. You don't have the video to GIF, you don't have the reverse video, you don't have the loop video, the mute video, and the video filters. Okay? So what happens, let's say for example, you use this for a month, and then let's say what happens is say you use this for the 1 to 2 months and you don't, well, you don't have, you don't need it for the third or the fourth month. You're free to cancel within those months, right? Within this third or fourth month, and come back as well after. But again, the only thing there is the price for the Pro is gonna be raised back up to $37 after the launch. So make sure to cancel whenever. Just make sure to, if you want to get the best price, jumping in right now would be the best idea. Okay. All right. So guys, and of course this is also covered with a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. So you're free to cancel whenever you want, and of course if you're not fully satisfied, we can give you a complete refund as well. Okay. Not sure what you mean with help, David. You can actually contact our support for that. I'm going to provide you the support link in a bit. So let's talk about the last upgrade. Again, we didn't have, we don't want to confuse like a lot of OTOs, a lot of upgrades for this. We kept it very simple, so you understand what this concept is all about. So the upgrade number 2 is going to be the VidFactory Done For You package. Now, with this upgrade, you'll be able to get 20 different video templates, all fully customizable instantly. And you're also going to get 10 new video templates every month for the next 10 months. That's a total of 100 video templates. We're not talking about videos here. We're talking about video templates with its own narration, with its own call to action buttons and images. And you can customize them. You can remove whatever image is there, or you can add your own customization to it. You're also going to be able to get 50 call to action buttons as well that you can use on your video as well as on your page. Now, VidFactory Done For You is available for a one-time price of $67. All right, so with $67, you get 120 video templates with commercial rights for just this one-time fee. That's around, well, 50 cents or so, 40 cents or so per video. All right, so guys, if you are jumping in for the Done For You package, give me a 3 right now in the chat. Now this is great, especially for those who are thinking about creating a video business altogether. All right, so can I get the DFY without the Pro? Yes, you can, but I would highly advise getting the Pro because you're getting a ton of features here in the Pro itself. You're getting video filters, you're getting resize video, you're getting reverse video, you're getting video to GIF, you have loop video, and you have mute video as well. That is a lot of tools. That means you never have to purchase another tool just for the specific function. Everything can be done inside of VidFactory. All right, so guys, let me know if you have any questions here before we wrap things up. Link, please. Let me send that to you. Give me 1 second here. I seem to have lost the link. All right. Let me see. There we go. You do need to get the main offer before you can get any of the upgrades. So let me just answer a few questions here. Can you mix videos and photos? No, you can't. At this time, you can't do that. That is a good recommendation, though. I'll talk to to Med and their developers if it's possible to add that up. Again, if there are going to be new features added, guys, I can't promise you anything, but if there are going to be new features, most likely or not, it's going to be provided to the pro users. Okay. Lloyd, just to make sure, do you have or have you purchased the main offer? Because again, you can't get the upgrades without getting the main offer itself. Otherwise, your account won't work. If you can verify that, then I can send you the link. Where's the sign up link for training next week? You're gonna be automatically registered, Mickey, for the webinar next week. For the the exclusive webinar next week for VidFactory. Okay. All right, there we go, Lloyd. So yeah, just make sure to get the main offer and either the basic or the elite before getting the upgrades. Okay, otherwise it won't work. Where can we access the bonuses as mentioned? It's gonna be available here. Once you log into VidFactory, there's a bonus section on the top, and this is where you can download all of the bonuses I just mentioned to you guys earlier. There you go. Okay. All right. Yeah, there are instructions here how to install the theme. If you click this, there's a PDF on how to properly install the theme by itself. There we go. Okay. No problem, Lloyd. All right, so guys, just do a quick recap. If you want to have the fastest video ads creator here, you can get VidFactory Elite or the Basic for a one-time price of $24 or $34, and you get the two modules inside of VidFactory, which is going to be the here the video ads and the meme maker. But if you do want more functionality and you want to get unlimited renders per month, then you can get the pro version, which is going to include video filters, resize video, you have reverse video, convert videos to GIF, you have create a loop video ad, a mute video as well, so remove the entire audio track for video and add in your own instead as a substitution. All of this features unlocked for you for $27 per month. Unlimited renders, and basically turns VidFactory from a video ads creator into an all-in-one cloud-based video editing software for you and for your business. And of course, if you want done for you videos or video templates, you can get VidFactory done for you as part of upgrade number 2 for a one-time price of $67, and you get 20 different video templates, 10 new video templates per month for 10 months, and 50 call to action buttons there, all for a one-off price of $67. Now, all of which is covered with a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee, guys. If you're not fully satisfied with the software, all you have to do is contact support via support.minddevs.review, and we'll be more than happy to issue a full refund to you. That is our guarantee. Do you have to purchase the Elite and the Pro to get the FY? No, you can just skip the Pro if you don't want that. But again, I do recommend getting the Pro because that is going to unlock a lot of features that you might need in the future. Okay. All right, let me see. So guys, let me know if you have any questions before we wrap things up. Not seeing the OTO. What? David, have you purchased the main offer already? Give me a yes if you have, or two if you haven't yet. You can't buy only the Pro. You have to get the main offer before upgrading the Pro. Okay, perfect. Let me see. Now I've logged into my account now. Okay, perfect. So guys, give it a few minutes before you log into your account, your email, or just check your email there altogether if you want to check, or if you want to get your logins. It might take a few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes before you get your logins via your email. All right, so guys, any other questions before we wrap things up? Okay, let's wait for a few seconds, and after that, we're gonna wrap things up if there are no other questions. Um, how is this different from Rocket Tomb, Lumen, and Vidois? Marilyn, I can't compare Rocket Tomb and Lumen because I haven't used those. It would be unfair for me. Vidois, however, it only creates a video animation, video string animation. It doesn't really create video ads altogether. So if you have Vidois, you can actually create a video from that app and add it in to VidFactory as well. Okay. About the other two, I can't really compare because I haven't really used them. Again, you have a full 30-day risk-free guarantee anyways. So if you have another video ad creation software there, do a comparison yourself, see what works better for you, then decide which one do you think is something that is going to be useful for you. Okay, that's what the money back guarantee is for anyways. Okay, guys, so I don't see any other questions coming in, so we're going to wrap things up. Thank you everyone for being on the call, and I do hope you see the value in this and you see how powerful VidFactor is. And of course, I hope to see you on the training as well on the 30th so that we can walk you through all the amazing things you can do with VidFactory. Bye everyone.